Okay, so, I recorded a video for this week. I was taking some pictures. I thought it was gonna be cool, and well, the footage is boring, and it's too boring for me to even edit. It is bad, and it looks bad, and it's horrible. So, instead of a regular video this week, I'm gonna throw together a slideshow for you guys to watch, and hopefully the slideshow is good enough, because the video of me taking the pictures is probably the lamest thing I have ever recorded. So hopefully I have my head screwed on straight next week, and can give you guys something that's not absolutely boring. I'll see you next week. Enjoy the slideshow. Peace.